Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about best set of AI powered tools for making YouTube videos. Well, without wasting too much of our time, let's get into it. My first tool is an app called ClickChamp. ClickChamp is everything you need. This is not a sponsored ads, but I am just saying from my experience. I have been using ClickChamp for a while now. I do almost everything with ClickChamp. This is in video. In video, this is just the same thing as ClickChamp. You know, the difference here is just that ClickChamp has a voice to text speech, and they have real human voice when it comes to ClickChamp. In video, they have voice text to speech too, but I am not sure because I haven't used the text to speech. So um, this is vid.io, and they have enough. This is vid.io. They have a lot of great templates here over here too. What I love about, they have enough templates. What I love about v.io is their custom is their what I love about v.io is their customs caption. I get different customs of captions when I'm using v.io. First, let's start with the pricing of these three great app. Well, I'll start with ClickChamp. The ClickChamp, these are the features for the free for beginners. Unlimited watermark free export, up to 1080p HD export resolution, free audio, image, and that's it. And for the essential, for everyday editor, this is it. And then you pay $9.99 because I'm in the UK, so it's in pounds, so you pay £9.99 monthly. So let's check the pay yearly and per year. Okay, it has been reduced per month to £8.33 pence, and this is 99 points. Let's say approximately £100 per year, and you will definitely enjoy everything about this about making videos of making YouTube videos. You truly enjoy them. I'll show you the videos I have made with this particular app, and it has been awesome. Now let's go to invideo.io. I have a premium lifetime. I paid for that, so I think so I have access to their old template, the stock footage, everything when it comes to making YouTube videos. And let's go to the pricing for InVideo, and this is their lifetime business plan. I think I paid for the lifetime. This is $399. Build once, get lifetime business, and for the monthly, for those who can't afford the lifetime, for the monthly, you get to pay $30 per month. And these are the features you have access to. No watermark. That is very important to me when I am making videos. When you're trying to make videos for YouTube, you have to make it professional. So this is the unlimited for agency and multiple teams. $60 per month. And let's switch to the yearly. Okay, see, this is $15 per month for business, and unlimited $30 per month. So InVideo has the same, almost the same uh, features with Clickchamp, but I think personally, I am still going to give you a thorough review for this 3 AI tool, but let's move to vid.io. Here's the pricing section for vid.io. This is the free. These are what it entails. Oh, sorry about that. So these are what it entails when it comes to the free aspect. Now, what there's watermarks. Definitely, they are going to try to promote their software when it comes to free. And this is the basic, $12 per month. So if you bid $12 per month, no, yeah, $18 per month. That's for the monthly plan, and you have access to all of these features. And when it comes to monthly, it's $30 per month. That's the pro. Well, the basics is $18 per month, and this is the pro version. And your build $30 user per month, and 24 build per user annually, blah blah blah. And these are the features you're seeing right on the screen. And the export quality here for the basic is 1080p, and the export quality here is 4K. This is very important. And let's switch to the yearly plan. The yearly plan is $12 per month, and you get a total of $144 per user annually. So if you're going to have different teams to make use of this particular software, then you'll be billed $18 per month per user monthly. And this is for the pro version, $24 billed monthly, and you get to pay $288 per year. So what are the features of this particular software? Let's start with vid.io. When I'm making videos, well, I'm going to start with the template. The templates for vid.io, personally, they are amazing. For most of you that make use of TikToks, that make use of Instagram, vid.io is very good for you, most especially when it comes to their templates. See, for example, see,
have you ever gone to edit a video and your computer just can't handle it?
When you make videos like this, and they give you the opportunity of there's a template like this that, when your audience are searching through your videos online, immediately they have access to this text. They want to click exactly what the video is all about. Now, there are different templates here where most times when it comes to Instagram and TikTok, I come to vid.io to make my videos. See, there are a lot of templates right here. See, that you can make use of. So, these are all the videos I have made, and most times, okay, I think I made this video for
cities
Instagram.
in Europe. Here are the top 5 cheap cities.
This video, when I made it, I on TikTok, it went viral. And there are a lot of videos I have made, but my plan got expired, and I haven't renewed it for a while, for some time now. So I make my normal video, and I have to move it here so as to get vid.io caption. And let's take a look.
I'm very happy.
See, the caption is what I love much more about vid.io.
Hey guys.
So you have a lovely caption when it comes to vid.io, and these are the projects that I've done. And the recording aspect, you can record all my screen. I mean, all the screen of your laptop, you can record, do the editing on vid.io, and trust me, it's just too lovely. I really love this aspect, even though I haven't make use of it before, because I have been making use of my screen record for my laptop, and I still haven't there's no need for me to make use of this at the moment. So this is live stream. You see, welcome to Vid Live. Go live, record highlights, and edit your video content in a single tool. So you see, just for just token amount of money, you have access to a lot of tools here. And this is the brand kit. Here this is where I had my logo. This is where I had my logo for my videos. And I'll say you guys to check this out. If you are interested in vid.io, you should check them out. Let's move to InVideo. InVideo, what I love about InVideo is basically see the templates. You have 5,000 plus customized video templates, text to video, stock media 1 million plus, and editor for pro video creation. These are my projects. I've made a lot of videos here too, and I really enjoyed using this particular software. Trust me, I have never regretted using any of this software. Take for example, let's play this video. So there's a lot of stuff you can enjoy. You can enjoy here. And one thing I love about InVideo is you can actually share your login details for somebody to actually make use of it, and you can change the password when they are done. That's one thing I love about InVideo. And this is let's move to ClickChamp. This is ClickChamp. I love ClickChamp because it has everything I want in one. I really don't know if you understand this. ClickChamp has everything I want in just one place, in just one app. Like I really don't need to go to, there are sometimes you make videos for a particular you finish making video, then you have to transport it, like I did here. I finished making my video. After filming my video, I have to move it to vid.io, do the captioning, and after that I have to move out for color grading and all of that. But ClickChamp, when I'm going to make my videos, I make everything in there. So I've made a lot of videos here. See, I made a lot of videos here, and if you see this, the videos are 4K. See. So I made a lot of videos. You have access to everything you need back home. See, I made a lot of videos with their templates, and you have access to put your logo on your video, so nobody steals your video. See, there are a lot of logos. Some I have deleted it. I have made some videos for customers, for people on Fiverr, and I just have to clear off just for my own personal use. So these are the templates. So if I am going to choose between ClickChamp, InVideo, and vid.io, personally, these three AI tools, they are wonderful tools, but personally, yeah, I'll go for ClickChamp because it has just everything I want. Take for instance, you can there's a caption. You can add your caption in this part after you're done making your video. You can choose your caption and that's it. See, everything you see in here, I made them myself in this particular software. There's nothing like I import something outside. No. See, these are the templates you get to have. You really don't have to disturb yourself. See, just guys, I want you to check them out. Even you have a video meme template. See, there's a lot of stuff you need to check out on this particular app. They are in video, vid.io. So it depends on your budget. You can check their pricing and choose the one you feel it's going to match your pocket, your cash. So that will be all for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please kindly like and subscribe to the channel and share this video. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day.